What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dying by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, so for this song, you're in standard tuning. The sample in this song comes from a song called Green Grass and High Tides by a band called Outlaw. And again, in classic Lil Peep fashion, they took the original song, slowed it down, pitched it down. So I'm going to show you how to play the actual sample in standard tuning, and I'm going to show you how to play some chords that you can play along to with the song, because there's no way you can tune your guitar in a way that will allow you to play the actual sample along with the song. But I'll show you how to play the sample, and then I'll show you how to play some chords that you can play with the song if you want to jam along to the song. You just won't be able to play the actual riff to the song because it's pitched down and so much that your guitar won't be able to get into that tuning. But I'll show you some chords that you can play along to the song with, and then I'll show you the sample. So let's jump into it. Now, if you need the tab for this riff, it will be in the description below, along with any of the chord diagrams. Those will also be in the free ebook that's in the description below. All that's there for you guys. Everything is free, so if you need it, jump down there once you get done with the video. Your first chord you're starting with is going to be an E minor. It's going to be 0-2-2-0-0-0. Then you're going to this version of a C chord. It's going to be 0-1-3-3-3. What I'm doing is I'm putting my index finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then I'm barring the next 3 strings on the 5th fret with my ring finger. So the D, the G, and the B are with my ring finger, and my index finger is on the 3rd fret of the A string. Then you're going to a G bar chord. It's 3-5-5-4-3-3. And then the actual sample uses this version of a D. This is going to be difficult to switch to for some of you beginners, so I'll show you 2 different ways to play it. The actual way is going to be 0-5-4-2-3. Pinky finger on the A string on your 5th fret, ring finger on the 4th fret of your D string, index finger on the 2nd fret of your G string, and then middle finger on the 3rd fret of your B string. It looks like this. It's a difficult way to play a D chord. Or if that's a little too hard for you, this is the way that I'll play it. It's 0-5-4-0-3 with your ring finger on the 5th fret on your A string, middle finger on the 4th fret on your D string, and then index finger on the 3rd fret on your B string. Now the way you're picking through these chords, you're starting with your E minor. It's going to be E, A, D, G, just like that. E, A, D, G. Switch to your C chord, and it's A, D, G, B, A, D, G, B. Again, A, D, G, B. Then for your G chord, it's going to be E, D, G, B. So you're skipping the A string and you're going E, D, G, B. And then for your D chord, you're going A, D, G, B. A, D, G, B. So from the top slowly, it looks like this. And that just repeats throughout the entire song. Now, like I said, that's the sample that's in the song. If you want to play along to the song, I will show you the chords for you to be able to do that. Your first chord is going to be B minor. It's going to be 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Then you're going G, It's going to be 3 2 0 0 3 3. Then you're going D major, 0 0 0 2 3 2. Then you're going A major, it's 0 0 2 2 2 0. Now those chords just repeat throughout the entire song, and you can use really any strumming pattern that's comfortable for you. I use a simple down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.